Welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to unbox a classic vintage car. It is the iconic Volkswagen Beetle. This is the 1967 model of this legendary car. This is the 1:32 scale model toy of this car. This is the black color toy of this Beetle. This toy model has two openable front doors and a well-designed interior. This is a pullback action toy car. Please check the description to get this little beautiful toy car. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.